With this auxiliary, dyeing mill can easily achieve hydrophilic and soft effect on fabric. Fabric can achieve instant absorption, also can make it easy to remove dirt from fabric, and easy to clean and maintain the fabric. That's it. It can also be used as the bath softener for thick fabrics of synthetic fibers and their blends, which can effectively prevent creases. Here we show it with one of our actual serving cases. Add a small dosage of auxiliary. Stir it fully and evenly. Apply the auxiliary fully on the fabric. After treated, fabric has good hydrophilicity. Fiber absorbs water very quick. After washed for 10 to 20 times, fabric still keeps good moisture absorption. By the smooth experiment, we can obviously see that the fabric treated with auxiliary on the right side is smoother. The eraser slides faster. Prepare to fabrics. One is treated and the other is untreated. Both are stained. After simply hand washing the fabrics, we can see that the treated fabric can be easily removed stain after simply hand washing. Free sample is available for testing.